See that? And the whole league got done behind that because they made that rule. Ain't none of them allowed to wear the hip hop shit.
Yeah. And they had to wear suits on game day.
Now they wearing half gay transgender shit.
Yeah.
Socks and boots, long boot, all the way up to your knees. Shit that
Fucking
women
woman
wear.
shit.
Yeah.
Tyrese ass, he did.
Hell, Mayweather, he bowed down for money. When he was fighting, fuck his dude name?
Madonna,
No,
McGregor.
McGregor. He was fighting McGregor. He basically just ran that fight for money, man. When he should have kicked his ass.
Exactly, because he knew he could have kicked his ass, so he let the white boy get off and do his thing so he can justify him pressing him the way he did. But no, the brother right. Mayweather would have dominated and killed that man in that goddamn ring, and he knew that shit. But he bowed his bitch ass down for money. That's why your wife took your ass to jail, nigga, and you went to jail for hitting your wife, but you the money man, or whatever.
Right.
Fuck out of here.
It says, "And which is the greatest of all, the seal of Zion hath now lost her honor." And there we have no honor. We have none. The whole world, right? The whole world looks at us like complete trash. We ain't nothing but a bunch of monkeys. We ain't nothing but a bunch of court gestures. We do whatever we can to be accepted in society as long as there's money involved. That's nothing, man.
That's it.
That's a joke. We are looked at as primal animals, man. In a society where we should be the dominant figures, man. We should be on the top of the world right now. We should be delegating foreign policy and telling these other nations what to do, man, and what to do with their renewable energy resources.
Because we damn sure know how to run it the right way.
Who you think running all these nuclear plants and shit? Them black motherfuckers behind them scene.
It says, "For she is delivered into the hands of them that hate us."
Come on, like if that's not a big enough sign to show you like we the children of Israel, but these fucking idiots out here, these Christians, they want to play it off as if that world doesn't even exist. We don't see oppression. Like what kind of shit? What kind of fucking places y'all at, man?
And this is niggas saying this.
Exactly. Who's struggling? Some of us got better jobs, cars, and all that shit than y'all. And y'all don't see the oppression. But come over our shit, be like, nigga, you straight, nigga.
Right.
Super straight.
Right, man, fuck this
Well,
shit.
you got 2 cribs? No.
Right.
Don't worry about all that.
So how much you pay for that car? Don't, hey,
Yeah,
man.
but we don't put our trust in that shit.
No,
Right.
because we know overall we being oppressed, and our
Yeah.
people as a whole is being oppressed. And Rob breaking it down now. We looked at it as super monkeys, nothing.
It says, "And therefore shake off thy great heaviness, and put away the multitude of sorrows, that the mighty may be merciful unto thee again."
Man up. That's all you gotta do, man. It's about manning up, man, in this world, man.
And the highest, Saki.
Yeah, sacrifice. That's what Yahweh Shai, man. He's the pinnacle of the sacrificing. He gave his life. So we sacrifice our little petty ass youthful lust. Let that shit go so we can move on, so we can transcend.
Thank you. There you go. There you go.
Yeah. We deny ourselves the way Yahushua denied himself, man. Because when you do the numerology of the Lord's name, it adds up to 9, which is compassion and sacrifice. And when you look at the elect and you do numerology on 144, it adds up to 9. Compassion and sacrifice.
Because we're going through the same thing you do.
Right, and we follow in his footsteps. You know? That's so when it says we have overcome the world, Yahushua overcame the world, man. And if he can do it, the elect's going to do it. It says, "And the highest shall give thee rest and ease from thy labor."
That's the
That's it.
kingdom.
There you go. Hey. And we can do the end.
Yeah. So with that,
That was
we'll
good.
give all praise to
Yahweh,
Yahweh,
Ba'ashem, Yahushai, Ba'ashem, Rakah, Kodash.
and Shalom to all you Akim, double honors to the apostle who knows that great millstone. Shalom.
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 Shalom.